Hi everyone, this is Arvind from AllCPL. Topic for today's session: delete duplicates record from SQL table. In this session, we will learn how to delete duplicate rows in SQL table. This is table EMP. We have written query select star from EMP. These are the records, total 8 records in employee table, and in this employee table having duplicate records. Like these are the duplicate records, and again having id 2, these are the duplicate and these are the duplicate record, and our aim to delete the duplicate record from the table. With the help of partition query, we can achieve this operation, or we can achieve this result. In inner query, we have written select star row number over partition by id and order by id. As row number, we have assigned the column name, or we have this alias name from employee table, and this query, the inner query will return same record and in same record, but one additional column, row number, and this row number based on the partition, and then finally we delete the record from CTC table. Let's check the example. This is our employee table. This employee table having total 8 records, and we delete the duplicate records from this table. Now we delete this duplicate record with the help of partition query. Partition select star comma row number over partition by id and order by id as a row number. We have given the alias name. Just execute the inner query. Okay, inner query return the same output and add one more column, row number. We have written the partition. So these are the duplicate record, and with the help of partition we assign say auto numbers, number 1, 2, 3, and these are the partition. First partition, again then for next partition again start from 1. In this way, this is output of inner query, and with the help of common table expression CTC table, we will delete the row from this table having row number greater than 1. Means we delete the record having row number 2, 3, and in second case 2, and in third case 2 and 3. Just execute this query. File row is deleted, and now check the records in EMP table. Now table name is EMP from EMP table. Now the duplicate row is deleted. In this way we can achieve or we can delete the duplicate row from the table. You can also delete with the help of distinct query, but this is the best method or best technique to delete the duplicate record from the SQL table. If you have any query, you can write in comment section.